Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple face accessories on Roblox. First of all guys, you have to uh, open a browser and go to roblox.com. Once you're here on this page, now just tap on this menu button over here and go to avatar editor. Now guys, you have to tap on this double A over here and tap on request desktop website. Here guys, if you want to equip multiple accessories, go to accessories and just choose face accessories or any accessories you want to equip multiple times. Now you can see if I am trying to select multiple accessories, it does not work. So how can you do that? So basically you have to hold a new accessories, copy the link address and just open a new tab over here and just paste your link address, copy the asset ID from the URL. Once you copy, go back to avatar page and tap on this advanced link over here and paste your link here and just tap on save button and save again. Your both accessories will be selected, and if you want or if you have multiple accessories, you have to repeat the same steps. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.